Hello everyone, it's me today, and before I get started with this video, I would just like to say thank you to all of you who supported me in when I uploaded my latest skits. I do appreciate it. They have returned, so don't worry, there will be more to come. I thought I would never make them ever again, but apparently that has changed, so now you will see more of them. But anyways, back to the video. So for the past, I think 3 months now, I have been shopping on Hattons recently, and I have received a handful of great items. I only got 4 so far. Well, in front of you is 3, but I do have a 4th one in the box that just arrived today. Here are some of the items that I received. You can't see the other item at the back, but I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, this is what I received so far. I have a Hornby 9F Evening Star. That was the first one I bought. I got that for $100 bucks. It's well worth the price. This thing runs smooth as butter. As you can see right here, that's another item I got shortly after the Evening Star. I got a Silver Jubilee coach. These things are pretty hard to find. They go for a pretty penny on eBay. I got this one for, I think, 40 bucks, which is an absolute steal in my book, considering how hard they are to find. And in this corner, I have the LBSC E2, which everyone knows as Thomas the Tank Engine, which was the reason why I bought this thing. And this thing is also pretty hard to find. Let me get the 9F out of the way real quick. Yeah, the LBSC E2 is not the easiest thing to find. I don't want to say they're rare. I kind of doubt they are. But when it pops up on eBay, it does fetch a pretty penny. I think I also got this one. Well, not. I got this one for $50, which is an absolute steal, and it runs good too. It's a noisy runner, obviously, because it's an old model from 1979, I think. Yeah, very good model. I know I said I wouldn't do another unboxing for a while, but I just had to break that rule for this. And apologies if you can hear footsteps upstairs. It's my dad. But yeah, let's get this thing open. This is an engine that I've wanted forever, but every time I see one on eBay, it just goes for a pretty high penny. Like I mentioned, I think these things will go around $200 on eBay, even if they're from overseas. But I got this one for, I think, just over $100 bucks, which I thought was a good enough deal. Let's see here. I see the paperwork in there. Do my best to keep that hidden. And this is what I got. It's a Bachmann branch line, Peppercorn A1. So like I said, this is a model that I bought off Hattons, and the box is in really good condition. This one, oh, they covered up the product code. I forgot they do that. It's in their blue ribbon range. I guess it means it's in their premium range. I think this is just before DCC became a thing. I'm not sure yet. Haven't opened it, but I'm gonna open it right now. Well, since they covered up the product code, the one that I wanted, which is this one, is named Northeastern. Although I do have another Peppercorn A1. That one is Tornado. But that one is tucked away in storage for now. Get all this stuff out. This is the Collector's Club thing. Pretty sure this is expired guarantee. I think this is some sort of warranty. And exploded diagram, which is right here. Oh, it's upside down. There we go. It's the exploded diagram. And there's a fancy little card. I kind of like these cards. I don't know why. It doesn't tell the... Oh, yes, it does. It's in the back. Yeah, that's the Peppercorn A1. Excuse me. And there is the model itself. Can't see it very well, but there it is. Get the tender out. Here's the tender of the A1. Looks pretty nice. This isn't a review, by the way. We don't want to do reviews. Here's a little detail bag you get. Let's see what you get in here. Okay, I see steps, I see vacuum pipes, chain link couplings, and I think I see cab doors. Yeah, they're cab doors, and I think those are lamps. It's pretty nice. What else you get in here? Okay, some more, well, I think it's cylinder drain cocks and just some brake shoes. It's nice. Alright, now the locomotive itself. There's 2 holes, that's good. Alright. There is the locomotive. Polystyrene here. As you can see, like I said, this one is named Northeastern 60147. This is the one that got scrapped. I think all of them got scrapped actually. And Tornado is just the latest A1 ever built for I think modern mainline steam. That's how you call it. Not the last locomotive for British Railways. That's the 9F. The Tornado is the first steam locomotive in what, 50 years? Something like that. It was built in 2008. Let's hook the engine and tender up if I can get it. There we go. One second. Well then, that sort of has one of the most complicated coupling systems I've ever seen between loco and tender. Yeah, there's a little slot in the tender that you have to slide the drawbar into, and it took me a couple tries, but I did get it. They are connected, and I don't know if it's just me or if the engine is too slidey, if that's how you say it. You know, like, give it a push, and it doesn't really take much. Hope that ain't an issue. But anyways, let's just see how this thing runs. Moved a little bit. There we go. Yeah, it's trying. Yeah, it's going now. But it ain't moving. Yeah. Something's up. Oops. Okay then. Right, I'm back. It's just a couple minutes later, and it wasn't the engine nor the tender that's the problem. I think it just took me a minute to just fiddle around with it. I think how I connected these two up, I think the drawbar was just lifting up the engine just a hair for enough to not make good enough contact, but now runs good. Which I'm happy to hear. Let's make it run around the layout. This is a really good runner. By the way, how do you guys like my new signal? Just installed that the other day. I know my ballast working the best. You can see horrible lines. well, I'm really enjoying this. I'm really happy to have this engine. She's performing really well. What I do like about this engine is that the running board is actually made of die cast, so that's really good. That adds a ton of weight to the engine. I might have to give it some oil. I'm pretty sure you can definitely hear how bit grindy it is, but I'll worry about that later. But right now, I have 4 British Pullman coaches behind it. I want to get more of those so badly. But yeah, I don't think I have the appropriate coaches for the era this engine is from. It's got the early British Railways crest on it, but I'm pretty sure Pullmans are the closest that I have in terms of its era. But let's take it off. There it goes. Everyone, I have to say, I've been running this thing for a few minutes now, and it's just going like a top. Hasn't missed a beat. It's just fantastic. I love this thing. I've been hunting one down for, I think, 4 years now, and I finally have it in my hands, and for a really good price too. So I'm just gonna sit here and have fun with this thing for the time being. I think it's about time for me to wrap it up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.